Here I have CAT S31 and let me show you how to use programmable key on the following device. So let me show you how to set up the function key on the following smartphone. At the very beginning, let's tap apps icon right here. Then let's find and select the settings. Under device tab you can find programmable key. Let's choose the short press, and now you have to decide what you would like to switch on when you short press your key. So in my case it could be, for example, the calculator. Let's tap OK. You can also choose the long press, and you have to decide which application you would like to switch on with the long press. In my case it could be, for example, the calendar. So now let's tap OK and let me show you how it works. Let's just short press your function key and the calculator is switched on, and let's long press the function key, and as you can see here we've got your calendar. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.